Hey guys, it's Carlos Perez. I'm going to walk you through the inside dashboard of the SMS Auto Bots. And it's an autoresponder that works with SMS. So it allows you to create questions that can get answered and stored inside of your database so you can market to people later. Now, platform runs on Twilio. Twilio is a service that provides phone numbers and minutes basically, and their time is under a penny a minute or under a penny a text. So it's really affordable, unlike other platforms where they have you buy your time inside the platform so they can do a markup. I'm letting you go directly to them so you don't have to pay extra for your time. So in getting your Twilio account, there are instructions on that online. I'm not going to walk you through this completely. Set up the account. I'll walk you through a quick setup. You're basically just going to go to sign up. You're going to put in your name, last name, email, password, and over here, choose language. It doesn't matter. Just put I'm not a developer, put C++, Java. That doesn't matter. Once you create that, you'll be inside your account. It's $25. There's a $25 fee, not fee. There's $25 in time and services that you're going to purchase. That $25 is usable for buying your phone numbers and for getting your time. So all that's in there. So once you're in there, you're going to log in and you're going to want to first buy a number. So your dashboard is going to be kind of plain. You'll go over here and you'll basically create a project. These are my projects that I have in there, but you'll see create new project and you'll just name that project anything. Call it my SMS, call it the client's name if you want, anything you want. It doesn't matter, it's not specific. So once you're in there, have this set up, you're going to click on this button right here and you're going to want to purchase a phone number. So you just go in here to phone numbers. I already have numbers in here, but you can still go here to click the buy. Once you click on that to purchase a number, you pick a location or number. So if if you want to start with an area code or any group of numbers, or if you want it to be a location. So in this example, we just do Los Angeles. You go in there, click that, click search. It's going to bring up numbers from LA. And what did I do? See, oh, location, my bad. So location, Los Angeles, and we're going to pull up. That was trying to find numbers that spell out Los Angeles. So if I like this 714 number, you see it's $1. You click on buy, it's yours. Once you have that number, you're going to click on it, and this is the one I'm using right now. You're going to click on it, and you're going to want to be in this location, this area right here, this messaging. So once we start setting up the platform, there's two things you're going to need plus this. So the two things are, going back to our console dashboard, is we're going to need this ID number, this account SID, and this authority token. And those are going to go into your account settings. So you click on the account settings, you're going to put in the Twilio SID and the Twilio token. Now, mind you, it has to be the one in the dashboard, not the one that's connected to the number. This one in the dashboard was connected to your project. So you're going to copy this and you're going to paste it in there. And you're going to copy, we're going to show the token, copy that, and put that in. I'm going to pause and do that and be right back. Okay, guys, so once we have those put in, you can go back to the dashboard, and you're going to create a bot. A bot is going to be attached to that phone number you have. So you're going to go up here, and you're going to create a bot. You're going to put in the name that you want to call it, and then the phone number. When you do the phone number, when you get the phone number, guys, you want to copy the whole phone number. okay? The whole number. So let me show you what I mean. You're going to want to get this whole number, including the +1. So it has to be structured just like that. Just like that. So when you click on that number, you're going to see right here, you want this whole number. You want to copy that, you want to put it in. So when you put it in, it should have the +1 with it. So don't make sure it's not +1 or +1 just +1 in the phone number. So you just type that in, just hit that in like that, the number, and it'll be there. Hit create bot, then save bot. Once you have that, your bot's going to be created. And now from this part, you see, from bots, you're going to click right here, and you're going to want to get the callback URL. You're going to copy this. You're going to go over to Twilio, and you're going to put it under messaging. Messaging, not voice, messaging, and it goes right here, and a message comes in, and you're going to copy and paste that right there. So with that in place, you have the SID, the authority token, and the callback. You are set up. You are ready to go. At this point now, I've already created this bot called Investor. If I did not have a bot called Investor, I would have the ability to actually name that bot right now. But I'm going to go into this, and you're going to see that this one bot Investor is attached to my number. That's in Twilio. I want to enable human touch. This makes it seem like you're responding to their text. So it doesn't automatically respond. It kind of has a delay. You want to click save. And then these are your short codes. On these short codes, there's whole things set up. But we're going to set up one so you can see. So we're going to go in, we're going to add a response. And contains or equals. I like equals. So if they text, let me see, new used car. If they text used car and it equals that exactly, then it's going to trigger the responses. So do I want to show them randomly? No, because I want everything in order. Do I want notifications? No, the notifications are basically if you want to be notified whenever someone makes contact with your bot. So you're going to go into bot logic, and we're going to start off with a question. Hi there, thank you for texting. How can I help you? So that's just a question. We don't want to save that response to anything. We'll put it in here. Or, hi there, thanks for texting. Do you want to buy this car? Do you want to buy this car? Okay, so with that, they can answer either yes or no. So answering yes or no, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to set up the ability for them to answer yes. And this is seldom you actually, have this happening, and I will show you guys a demo later. Or no. Okay, so if it's no, we're just going to have a simple response. We have other cars. Please go to our site at cars.com. And that would end that. If they say yes, then we can go with the questions again. So we go, what is your name? Now, because we're asking what their name is, we can save that reply to the name field. So that name will be saved. Okay. The next one we can do is another question. How much down do you have? And I would just connect that to income. Or we can ask, how much do you make a month, whatever. But that's going to be stored to income. And then again, what is your email? Question. What is your email? And then we can save that to email. So I'm not going to make it much longer than that. Just want to give you guys an idea of what you do. Everything ends with a response though. So if the last thing we were going to do was the response, thank you, and then we can put name because it does have that field. Thank you, name. I will email you at, and then the email. And then save. So this is done. So to see how this one performs, I'm going to actually go through it with my phone and show you guys this. So I'm going to pause this and be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm going to dial the number. I'll show you. So that's the 424 number, and we're going to put in that short code, used cars. And then you'll see once we press send, it's going to go there. And then it's going to automatically wait some time as if it was a real human interacting with this. And then it's going to send the text. And I really like the one I have for probates. Actually, let me show you that one. So I'll do probate. Now probate has like this elaborate funnel. So it goes through getting a lot of information. So thank you for requesting information on our probate property. Are you an investor or a buyer? So if I do buyer, it ends quickly. If I do investor, it's going to take me through a whole line. So I'm an investor. It waits a little bit, a moment, then it's going to respond back to me. Great, you're an investor. Hi, I'm Arthur Bonner. What is your name? So if I go, my name is Charles. Send. And it's going to automatically wait a minute, act like it's typing. It's going to send the respond. Hey there, Charles. Nice to meet you. What is the best email address for you? So Charlie Mac at gmail.com. Put that in there. It responds. What city are you looking for properties in? So I'm looking for properties in Los Angeles. And you can see this is just what's already done in the autoresponder. So it's just going through the whole sequence. It's going to come back. It's going to let me know that we have a lot of properties in Los Angeles. We have great deals in Los Angeles, ready to go right now. I'll email you this evening at Charlie Mac. Is that good for you? I can just put yes. Now that yes did not trigger anything. It's just going to ask the next question. Yes is not being stored, so that's not the answer where they would answer yes or no. How much do you have to purchase? I got 400 and let's go 500,000. We got 500,000. Send that off again. Now for realtors, this is great, but this can be for any business, anything you want to get leads for. This is perfect. Okay, so, okay, Charlie, let me go through my inventory this evening, get back, look out for my email. So that's the whole sequence. Now that sequence can be seen in here in the messages, and you'll see that the bot was just basically going down the line and asking the questions and answering them. See, user bot, user bot. You can also at any time jump in live and take over the conversation from the bot. And then all that information the bot asked for is going to be right here in your, it's messages, inside of your contacts. So when we go inside of our contacts, we'll see that, and there goes Charles, Charlie Mac, Los Angeles, and 500,000 that he's looking to spend. So this is a great way for you to get leads and to pre-qualify people. And the other things, you know, the send messages, once you have a list built out, you're able to go in and you can send messages. Right now, there's only 2 contacts in that investor list, and I can use any response I want, and I can schedule that to go out to people. So you can do follow-up sequences with people as well. So guys, that's it. That's the SMS Auto Bots platform. You're able to create your own auto responders for SMS text. You're paying less than a penny per text for this. And to access everything, I'm making a great deal. Call me up, tell me you want access. You're going to be able to have 50 bots with unlimited short codes for each one. So you can sell them to people. You can handle email marketing campaigns. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. We're also going to have a reseller package where you can have the complete system, and then you can sell accounts instead of managing accounts for people. But give me a call at 760-422-3052 if you have any questions. Tell me that you've seen the video, you understand the training already, and we will do our best to get you a great price so you can get in here. This video is going to go into the tutorial, so you'll be hearing this if you click inside of the actual platform itself. So guys, thank you again. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I look forward to helping all you guys create your own SMS Autobots.